feeling this.
Hey, it's me, Nikki, and I'm a homemaker. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps your girl out, and I do appreciate it. So before we proceed with this video, the reason I'm so dramatic and yelling the most is because I put on way more of that stuff on my face than the other girls. So don't be trying to come for me. I have way more on my face, and it really hurts. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to give a thumbs up.
Nikki the Homemaker, and today we're going to be doing something a little crazy. I saw Dre McCray do it, so we're going to do it too, and it is the
devil's heel.
The instructions are to get your gelatin non-flavored. We got them right here. We got our bowls. Everybody grab a bowl. So I'm going to add these in there for everybody. A tablespoon and a half of almond milk or whatever milk you want to use. Mix it around. It's looking like pasty. And then she says to put it in the microwave for 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
I mean, 20 seconds. In the meantime, we make sure our face is clean. Now, I do have makeup right here, but here's the thing. You don't want to put this stuff on your eyebrow because the hair will come out. But I made sure to paint them a little thicker because I'm going to go around the area because I heard this pulls like the little hairs off your face.
And rips them out.
No, I'm joking. No, I did hear that. Keep it away from your eyebrows and the sensitive area. So, yes, I have makeup right here. Everywhere else, I do not. You know. Now we're mixing it around. This is how it's going to come out looking. Very, very liquidy. What? You can't apply it right away to your face because this is hot. So, with the back of the spoon, you're going to put it on your skin. It doesn't feel that hot to me. What do y'all think? Nah. Okay, I think it's good. So now with the back of your spoon, you're just going to start applying it. Okay, so I'm going to go to the just all over the face. And the thing is, you want to use all of it. I'm dropping it all over my shirt. Me too. Me too.
Oh
my God.
Almost got on my eyebrow.
I know, I'm getting real close to my stupid eyebrow. Oh, I got it on my earring. Don't wear hoops, guys. That's gross.
Did you put it above your lip?
Yeah, I want my mustache to come off. So does it matter if it's clumpy? It's gonna clump up. So that's good? Mm-hmm. On my face. So I'm good? Mm-hmm. Oh, clumpy face. Alrighty, as it dries up, it gets a little clumpy. Now we're gonna get the blow dryer and finish this process off because that's how I see. That's how I saw her do it. My hair. Yeah. This is us before the drying process. Wait. So we'll see you in just a bit. It's feeling weird. I'm just gonna try this for a thumbnail. Okay. Try to open your mouth. Oh, here.
I'm pulling it off already.
No, wait. Okay. Crazy. Oh.
Mom, you're hurting Ella. Mia, get out.
Oh my God. Alright, let's take this off. It feels really, really tight. Let's do it. Go. Oh. Oh, oh, look, my skin got lighter. Oh, 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 ooh, Oh, it's real smooth.
Ooh, that one hurts.
Oh,
Ooh.
oh, shoot.
Ow. I'm just pulling it off.
Oh, your skin feels smooth, right?
I don't feel pain.
Ah!
Can I help you?
Oh my
I'm sorry, singing.
Look, it pulls my hair off. Told you.
Oh my goodness.
What was my?
I probably have a bald spot somewhere right here.
Oh, my temple.
Yeah.
Ow.
It works.
She wants to hurt me. Yeah, you can do it.
Oh. I'm seeing.
Oh! Ah!
She's gonna put people in the background.
Why you do this? Oh my god.
Oh, my lip! Oh, Mom. Oh, ooh, I got a lot of hair right here and it's pulling it. I have a hairy forehead.
Look at over. Here comes Nadia. She's just pulling it out real quick.
Ah! Oh, shoot, man. But on the real, don't y'all skin feel real, like,
Soft.
all happy?
Stop bleeding.
It was like it was close to bleeding, but it didn't do it. I think if we would have let it dry more.
You still got your nose.
I know. I'm scared.
Pull it off. Pull it off. Pull it off.
Oh, it doesn't really hurt.
Help
too
me.
much. Oh, tell me why it hurts more when other people do it. What the hell?
They pull it hard.
Oh,
It's not their skin.
And it's non-stop.
It's not their skin.
She kept yelling. I kept putting on.
she showed no mercy.
I was
I
like,
had to finish before she took it off.
7th grade.
Oh, hot dog. You have something on your back. Is that one? What is it?
My face still has. It just got a little flaky right here, but it feels so smooth. Do I look 5 days younger? I do look white. It pulled off my hair, so it made it look whiter. I can tell. Yeah, this is who I am.
I know it.
I know when I
It really
pulled
works.
when I pulled it up, it got white. I think because it pulled all the little hairs.
Yeah. So that's a wax and.
Hey, this
facial.
works better than the black one, right? If we would have let it dry more, it would have been even better. Mine still needed some. It had a little bit of tackiness, but I was getting so anxious I couldn't wait
Well, I
anymore.
guess, oh man, how do you?
What do y'all think of this mask?
I like it.
What do you think, Heather?
It feels
Oh, it's cool.
smooth.
I love.
Oh, it does. It feels good. This hair over here. I have like a hairy face, especially right here. That's why it hurts so bad. And when my mom just yanked it and wouldn't, I think she was going like against the hair. I don't know. But it hurt pretty darn bad. But it feels good. This is way better than the other peel-offs.
Smooth.
I know you.
I was trying to read Beauty Guru.
Pimple. Hey, your face looks different though.
What?
It looks like it got rid of wrinkles. Look at it.
My wrinkles are gone.
It tore the wrinkles out. Hey you guys, that is it for today's video on this devil's pill. I liked it. My face feels so smooth. And it did hurt, but I did leave some tackiness, and next time I'm just gonna let it dry completely. I'm gonna do this like at least once a month because I really did like it. I really did. It feels so good, and it took off all that hair. Like I usually shave my face with that little razor thing like Jaclyn Hill said. And this got rid of the hair way better than that in my face. Ooh, it's gonna feel good. Like if you put highlight, it's gonna apply that highlight real good. This was pretty cool. I don't even have hair on my forehead anymore. so cool. All right, guys, if you like today's video, don't forget to smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It really helps your girl out, and I do appreciate it. Until next time, I will see you on the next video. Bye. Yeah, I'm feeling this. Look how happy she is. She's all